Welding became part of my everyday life, working in plant work and in operations. That style, what I learned in plant work is learned to be fast and efficient, and that carries over into my style here at the school. Hands-on practice, it's really difficult with the limited time that we have. We do a lot of work after school, so we balance, we get a lot done during class, but our actual finishing things are done in the fall after school. One of my biggest mentors was a guy named Danny Spencer. He taught me not to quit. He was my first mentor that just would not let me quit. And here's the thing, quitting, you always want to quit. There's times it's hot, it's intense, and you're thinking, man, I just don't want to, you know, but you got to pull yourself up by your bootstraps. You got to find that in you, and you got to want it. I would hope they would become task-oriented. They would learn to finish everything that's put in front of them. They would learn how to work well with others and work in a group and working in the diverse situations. Most of all, I think what they pull out of here is just a whole lot of confidence. That kind of confidence they can take, and they can take into any field. You know, I'm really happy with how the program has grown here at Collierville High School. It's been fantastic. I'm hoping that someday, that, you know, maybe years from now, that this program expands even further. I truly believe that these skilled sets are a way for kids to have a fantastic career and do great things in life, and get the freedoms that, you know, so many of us strive to have, you know, in our day-to-day 9-to-5s. Well, these guys can really get that kind of financial freedom early in life and have those freedoms. So, like I said, just lucky to be here. Lucky the program's here. Thanks for having me.